Good afternoon, tutor. Oral presentation English level 2 for Luis Eduardo Neva. My name is Luis Eduardo Neva. I live in Siachoque, Boyacá, and I study environmental engineering. Activities. I like to go to the pool and practice swimming. On weekends, we have lunch and family. My family, my home, and my home. My family and my and currently live with my wife and my son. We live in a townhouse because we like garden and have many animals. Vacation in Barbosa. Vacation in Barbosa. The climate in Barbosa, the climate is sunny and humid. White temperature of 13 grade during the night it's cool, and but for this winter time in the cloudy and very cool, it's a perfect climate. My travel experience. The was a fantastic trip because of this warm weather and friendly people. Traveling and traveling with friends is very fun. The typical food and it's also delicious. The posts are clean plus there is a lot of nature and their access roads are in good condition. Tips to travel to Barbosa. When it's sunny, your soul use sunscreen. It is important to wear comfortable and light clothes. You must book the hotel days before. You need to buy summers for your family. You always have to visit the Central Park. Thank you. Happy day. Bye bye, tutor.